Hi, this recording is to show you how to record a video and post it into a discussion board in case you don't know how to. So once you're in Canvas and you're in the discussion board, it might look a little different than this in the student view, but it should be somewhat similar. Then you go to the bottom after reading all the instructions and you hit reply. So you're going to click on reply. And then it's going to ask you, how do you want to reply? It gives you all of these different options for formatting. But what I would like you to use in order to record a video is you then click on this icon that has the universal play button as well as the music. And it's to record and upload media. So you click on that button and then it asks you, do you want to drag a file from your computer? Which you can. You can record on your computer and then just pop it in. But for short assignments, I would say this is far easier. You just click record and it opens up your camera and you know that the microphone is working because the little bar here lets you know the sound is working. If it's not, if you don't see the bar moving along, then click on mic and it'll allow you to move to maybe a different mic that you have, a microphone that you have access to. If the camera isn't working, you might want to click on the webcam thing. But the point is what you want to do is you want to go ahead and once you're sure that the microphone is working, click on Start Record. And then that'll let you to start recording a video. At the end, it'll say, do you want to upload? And you say yes, and you're all done. So that's how you record a video and upload it into a discussion board. Thank you.